Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano chords accompaniment Careless Whisper by George Michael. So I'll sing this one just as a reference point. It is pretty much the same chord progression the whole way through, and we'll do the saxophone part on the piano as well. So I've left the full chords and lyrics linked in the description. So let's dive in. So this one is in the key of D minor. On the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D minor. So these are the notes we are using. Here is middle C, just as a reference point. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. So there is like a classic electric piano sound. There's no piano in it, but it is played on the keyboard. I'll teach it on the piano, but I'll also demonstrate a little bit on that very similar sound as well. The chords are all going to be accurate, but I've simplified it a little bit just to keep all the sections played in more or less the same way. This very famous saxophone part then. So in the left hand, it's based around, so it kind of does a roll up, but I'm going to play F, A, E, and then D in the left hand. So this makes D minor add 9, that's the add 9. So we play F, A, E, really quick split chord, and then we play D, A, F, E, D, A, F. And then the next part, so we need a G in the left hand, and then a C in the right hand. So this next chord is based around like G minor 11. So we have C, B flat, F, D, C, B flat, F. Towards the end of that, the left hand changes to an A. So we go, it changes to an A just after you play the F. And then the next chord is a B flat based around a B flat major 7. So we play B flats together, and then A, F, D, B flat. And then we play A in the left hand, and then we play this scale from A, so it's like the scale of D minor, but starting from A. So A, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A. And then you play that a second time round. So I'll play it from the beginning, so I'm just going to go slow. So I'm going to do all of that again at a similar speed that's in the original. So that repeats another couple of times in the song. So for the verse then, so it's the same chord progression the whole way through the song. We're going to play it slightly differently for the verse and the chorus. It's the same chords, it's just played in a different way. So for the verse then, I have to teach you the chords first. So I'm going to hold D minor down. It's up to you if you want to play octaves or which D you want to play. So right hand, I'm going to play F, A, D. Fad with D in the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. the next chord is G minor 7. So I'm going to play G in the left hand, and in the right hand I'm going to play F, B flat and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have that change to the A again on beat 4. And then we have B flat major 7. So it's all the same sort of chords that we were playing in the intro saxophone part. So this is B flat in the left hand, and in the right hand we have F, A, D again. 2, 3, 4. And then we have A minor 7. So a lot of seventh chords. So A in the left hand, then the right hand we're going to play G, C, and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we repeat that again. So back to the D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I just demonstrate with vocals then. I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind a silver screen, and all is sad goodbyes. So it's a little bit too low for me. And then it's into the chorus. So effectively going to play exactly the same thing as we just did, but I'm going to bring my right hand up an octave, and I might play my left hand in octaves as well, which you don't have to do. Never gonna dance again. So there's some slight changes. So we've got, and then before we go into the next chord, we're going to play F, A, C. So this brings us into D minor 7. So we have D minor into the G minor 7, which we played the same, and then the passing A note still the same. B flat major 7 still the same. A minor 7 still the same. So again, it's only really just that little bit at the beginning with the D minor. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A. B flat major. 2, 3, 4. A minor 7. 2, 3. And often what happens, sometimes the chord repeats on the 4th beat before it goes into the next chord. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how I'm going to play the choruses. So if I just demonstrate the chorus now then. I'm never gonna dance again. It's guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, you know you're not a fool. I should've known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you. So you do that 3 times for this first chorus, and now into the next verse and then into the next chorus. Time can never mend the careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is all you find. I'm never gonna dance again. These guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. I should've known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way and then we're into the saxophone part again, like the beginning. Into the bridge, which I'm going to play the same way as the verse. So I'm just going to continue. Tonight the music seems so loud, I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way, we'd hurt each other with the things we'd want to say. We could have been so good together, we could have lived this dance forever, but now who's gonna dance with me? Please stay. And then we're into the chorus again. I'm never gonna dance again. These guilty feet have got no rhythm, though it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given, so I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. And then we're into the interlude saxophone part, but just once through this time. And now it's the outro part, which I'm just going to play the same as the chorus. I'm going to add an extra little thing in there, and then it just fades. But if you wanted to make it sound finished and final, you would end on a D minor chord, which is the root chord. So I will play it like this. I'm going to bring the left hand up as well, so I'm not playing any lower notes. So it's C. And now that you're gone. And then we hear a couple of times. So you can add this in if you want to. When we play the B flat major 7, 1, 2, 3, we play an inversion of that. So we play A, D, F before we go into the A minor 7. Now that you're gone. So again, you can either fade it out or end it on the D minor chord so it sounds finished. So I'm just now going to demonstrate the chorus just for a bit of fun in the sound that's very similar to the keyboard sound in the actual song. So on my piano it's called a modern electric piano. I've got lots of different ones. And I'm never gonna dance again. These guilty feet have got no rhythm, though it's easy to pretend. You know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given, so I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.